Trying to figure out the pluses and minuses of transitioning to inkjet from toner? It takes more than checking the acquisition price and comparing speeds and feeds. You need to do the math. Starting with the total value of operation. Evaluating the upside advantages production inkjet provides, as well as the expenses of acquiring and operating a piece of equipment over its life cycle. Because making the right investment decision depends on determining the true value this technology transition brings to your enterprise. And that includes applying what we call the consolidation equation to your sheet-fed inkjet versus toner calculations. This equation is based on a simple premise: consolidating your fleet by replacing multiple toner units with one sheet-fed inkjet press. In this case, the Canon Vario Print iX. What could this mean for your business? First, it means you could get back valuable floor space that's devoted to printing right now. But you don't get paid to print. You get paid to deliver finished pieces. So, by freeing up floor space, you could add new equipment that performs finishing functions you're currently outsourcing. Or you could improve your shop floor layout to minimize steps and maximize efficiency during every stage of the printing and finishing process. This can help put more profit into your operation. Consolidating your fleet with a Vario Print iX can also have a consolidating effect on your labor costs. For example, high-volume toner shops often require multiple shifts of skilled operators to meet deadlines, which can be expensive. And finding and managing all that reliable talent is a major challenge for the industry. On the other hand, the Vario Print iX makes consolidating work from multiple toner units to a single press both possible and practical, freeing excess labor resources to perform other productive revenue-generating tasks. The iX is so easy to run, operators can be trained quickly and do not require specific prior skills. Plus, its internal quality controls require no operator intervention. So it's not unusual for one full-time equivalent employee to be producing work that previously had been done with multiple toner units and people. That kind of consolidation significantly helps lower labor costs and increase productivity. Another factor to consider is consolidation of materials, which also take up valuable floor space and profit opportunity. First, transitioning to the full color capabilities of inkjet enables a white paper print factory, eliminating the need to produce and inventory pre-printed shells, a major source of waste. Second, it's not uncommon for a fleet of toner presses to use multiple media types and sizes, requiring you to order and stock a large number of SKUs and incur paper waste when trimming to fit its size. Consolidating to a single Vario Print iX helps streamline and simplify materials management while creating economies of scale, offering increased buying power as well as more cost-effective ordering, inventory, and storage. When different media are called for, the Vario Print iX can switch between sizes and types from up to 12 input trays, any of which can be reloaded without interrupting print production for mixed media jobs. And unlike toner, the Vario Print iX inkjet technology is designed for print quality consistency, from your first print to your last print, for less waste and more sellable sheets. Not surprisingly, applying the consolidation equation doesn't just factor in floor space, labor, and materials. It also goes beyond basic subtraction to reveal benefits that are additive, like helping you enable increased reliability and uptime. The iX series fleet reports an average uptime over a 24-hour period at or exceeding 90%. Big advantage compared to the average uptime of closer to 75% for standard toner engines. Couple this with a duty cycle of up to 10 million letter impressions per month and throughput speeds approaching 2.5 times of most toner engines, and the business case becomes even more enticing. Adding all of these advantages together can help multiply your opportunities to take on more, do more, pursue new markets, and experience more incremental growth. Like the premiums that can be charged for tight turnaround jobs and advanced personalization, the value of producing 3 shifts of work in the space of 1, the profit margins from bigger jobs and more high-value applications, and the impact of accepting more short-run jobs you might not have been able to run profitably in-house before. It's the only way to determine not only the sum total of costs, but also the true positive value of transitioning from toner to the Vario Print iX. Before you consider any capital investment, it's important to do the math. Let our team help. Email us for cost analysis at productionprint@csa.canon.com or call 1-877-623-4969. And for more Do the Math videos, visit pps.csa.canon.com.